104. What is the effect on the amount of solid MgOH2 that dissolves and the concentrations of Mg2 plus and OH minus when each of the following are added to a mixture of solid MgOH2 and water at equilibrium? And then we have the addition of HClO4. Well, the first thing is that I already wrote out the balanced equation for what happens when solid MgOH2 dissolves into its ions. If you have any questions about how I made this, please check out number 104A. It will make more sense there. But we're just going to get right into it. HClO4, we've seen this right throughout our journey in chemistry. HClO4 is a strong acid. And strong acids always dissociate basically 100% into its two ions. So HClO4 is going to have that H plus ion because it's an acid, and then it's going to have that ClO4 minus ion here. Now, if you're adding HClO4, that means that the amount of HClO4 is increasing and the amount of the ions are increasing. Now, generally, in order to get over to the actual equation that we want, something should match. But I have H plus, I have ClO4 minus, and I don't have either of these in my equation. So something else has to happen. I have H plus, and what does H plus usually want to react with, right? You have water too. So H plus is going to grab the OH minuses to make more water. Oh, and here's OH minus in my equation. So the H plus is going to start grabbing the OH minus. And it's going to be taken out of that equation, right? If it goes over here, there's none left in this equation. So what's going to happen to the OH minus? If it's leaving and if it's going over here, that means that this has to decrease for this equation because you don't have as much over here. It's going to this equation. So we have one out of the three answers. We found out what happens to the OH minus concentration. So the question is, well, what's going to happen to these other two, right? Well, that comes from Le Chatelier's. I know. We love Le Chatelier, right? Now, in this case, we're dealing with a drop in concentration, a decrease amount. That means that you have too little, so you want to get it back. And when you do that, when that's the case, you will always shift to the same side. So if your drop is on your product side, you're going to want to go to that side. So you're going to favor the forward reaction. And if you're going this way, you're going to make Mg2 plus because that's a product. And if you're going from the reactant to the product, MgOH2 would have to decrease. And that's your three answers. The MgOH2 would drop, Mg2 plus would increase, and the OH minus would drop because it's going to another equation. And there you go. What do you think? Pretty simple. I really hope this is helping you out. Let me know in the comments, and I will talk to you all later. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.